Never run out of battery again with the INIU portable charger, the slimmest 10,000 milliamp hour power bank that keeps your devices charged on the go. Stay powered up wherever you go. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to Screen Sirens, where fashion meets fun. Today we're talking about our absolute favorite jewelry brand that's taking over our wardrobes, Jenny Bird. I'm obsessed with this Canadian brand, and I know I'm not alone. Whether you're a classic minimalist or an eclectic style enthusiast, Jenny Bird has got you covered. From statement pieces like the page earrings to everyday staples like anklets and hoops, their designs are sleek, modern, and timeless. But what really sets Jenny Bird apart is its commitment to quality. These aren't flimsy, mass-produced pieces that'll break after one wear, oh no. Each piece is carefully crafted with attention to detail, ensuring they last for seasons to come. And trust me, as a team of fashion editors, we know a thing or two about what makes a great investment piece. Let's take a look at some of our favorite Jenny Bird pieces that are flying off the shelves. Sabrina Carpenter wore these stunning Florence earrings to her bestie Joey King's wedding. Talk about making an entrance. And can you blame us for obsessing over their sculptural designs inspired by elegant motifs like the egret? They're truly showstoppers. But it's not just about the statement pieces. Jenny Bird has a fantastic selection of everyday staples that'll seamlessly integrate into your wardrobe. From delicate anklets to chunky hoops, there's something for every style and occasion. And did you know that many of their rings, ear cuffs, and earrings add just the right touch of texture to your look? Genius, right? As editors, we can vouch for the quality and durability of Jenny Bird pieces. We've worn them every day, and they still look brand new. Whether it's our staple hoop earrings, the Dane anklet set, or even our beloved gold pieces, these are must-haves that'll never go out of style. In fact, we're so convinced by Jenny Bird that we've included some of their best-selling pieces in our own collections. And now, we want to share them with you. From ultra-thin bangles to bold, chunky silhouettes, there's something for every fashion enthusiast on this list. So what are you waiting for? Join the Screen Sirens crew and experience the magic of Jenny Bird for yourself. With their commitment to quality, style, and affordability, it's no wonder they're taking over our wardrobes and ours.